I am the manly digger.
Drop it right in. Good afternoon, I'm the mainly digger. I had an amazing day with my kids. This video consists of metal detecting. I went out one time. I've been trying to take it easy. I'll explain that in the video. Kind of hurt my shoulder in a weird way. Not injured, just hurt. So I explain that, and then the hunt will be at the end of the video. I do a little magnet fishing, which will be at the very end of the video. And then I go, at the beginning of the video, I'll show you, I went out with my kids to a lake at a relative's house. I've been talking about it for a couple times in my video, but it's a lake. It's on Salmon Lake, McGrath Pond. It's 3 different ponds and all. So the lake we were on today is actually three lakes: McGrath Pond, Ellis Pond, and Salmon Lake. I don't know why they have 3 lakes or 3 ponds together, but that's just how it is. We were in this cove today. I forgot the name of the cove, but that's where we were today. But I test out some of my gear. The Neweer gear, the floating handle, whatever you want to call it. As long as it floats, I'm happy. We'll see how that goes. I know the results. Just telling me to say. Anyway, very awesome. I had a good time. I test out the snorkel and do a review of the snorkel and the GoPro case, which is I'm still using right now. I'm also using the floating handle right now too, so it should work. It works. It does work. Just tell me. Anyway, had an outstanding time. Outstanding day with the kids. You gotta warn you, the metal detecting videos are older. They're from yesterday, or the day before yesterday, whatever it was. But between my shoulder, work, and summer trimester, for school just started, I've been kind of busy, and it's been harder to get out metal detecting. But I did, and I have. Thing to dig out. Watch my video. So I will add this to the review. If you're going to do an interview, or if you're going to point at yourself and talk, I would not suggest the outer box, the outer underwater GoPro box or mount. As you can hear, the audio isn't that great, but you get what you get. Anyway, mainly dig out. So in this clip, I am walking out. This is when I first got there and my kids are on the dock. It is extremely cold. So I know you wait a minute, you wait 5 minutes, and the water warms up. So I didn't really know what to expect when I was going to go out there. So I put on the snorkel and started walking out there. It was extremely cold. And this is the first time I used the GoPro stick, or GoPro on a stick, I guess. So I'm testing some of my underwater gear. I have the GoPro in the case, the underwater case. The GoPro itself is waterproof. I just needed a case to make it not get scratched up. And I have it on the floatable stick. So the test here is to see if the stick floats, which would be awesome if it does. If it doesn't, it's cheap piece of junk. All right, so I'm going to drop it right in. And it floats, so it works. That is awesome. pieces of gear I never really got to try out is this underwater metal detector. It was cheap, I think it was like 75 bucks. So how you turn it on is what I'm doing now, is you gotta wait for 2 seconds and you'll hear it vibrate and it's on. So one of the things I don't like is, what if it's up in the water and you have it up for 2 seconds? You're not gonna know. I mean, you're gonna know it's gonna turn off. So next to this big dock, an inch and a half away. All right. I mean, I didn't have really high expectations. It is a gorgeous day on the lake right now. We're inside a cove. We're on Salmon Lake, inside one of the coves, and I actually have to look up what cove this is. But that is awesome. So for metal detecting, I would not suggest this, but for going underwater and like you're doing underwater metal detecting, I would suggest it. But anything with like headphones, I would not use headphones with this. But with the or just, you know, snorkeling, you have anything with your hands, you have hands free, this would be great. But not so much with a larger metal detector. Maybe not, who knows, we'll see. At least not with headphones. I would not wear headphones with this. So there are 2 loons over there. I'm not going to zoom in, but I have been trying to I hurt my shoulder. I'm not going to tell you how I wish I could come up with a cool story about how I hurt my shoulder. I really just rolled out of bed and like pulled something, I don't know. Anyway, so I've been still metal detecting, just not really taping it. I have one video or a couple of videos here and there, but I've been trying to keep it cool, keep it calm. Doing this video, I guess, is like a test video, I don't know. But I will be definitely coming here more often, and especially when it warms up, because it is cold, the water's cold. But I'm gonna suck it up, mainly dig out. So I had some great plans to do some water stuff, get in the water because I got the snorkel. Turns out swimming's shut down, and we're in Oakland at the waterfront park. I went there last digging season, had a good time. We can't swim. I can't swim, so but I can still metal detect, which is fine with me. I'm good. Look around here. Here is the beach area, and there it says no swimming over there. But yeah, so nice little area. First coin of the day. I think it's just a penny. Yeah, it is a penny. You can see the copper in it. I don't know what date, what year, but I think it's probably from the 90s. No idea what it is. Rang up as a 70. But I think this is funny. So we can swim. So I'm gonna go over and to the boating dock and do what I wanted to do. That is swim, which is cool. But there's fishing line all the way over there. Can't see it, but you see the poles or the sticks. It's for the ducks and the geese. So all my plans so far, I've had issues. I planned on getting out earlier, but I got a flat tire, so I had to fix that. But I did fix that and I got here. It turns out going to the boat launch is a bad idea because there are people at the boat launch who launch their boats. So testing out the gear is not going to happen today. I still can metal detect, and I'm watching this goose do its thing, or swan, whatever it is, do its thing. It's just chilling. Oh, number 2 point of the day. Awesome. I have the underwater cover on it, so I don't know how the sound's going to turn out, but pretty cool. So 1984. Good times. It's getting chilly. It's one thing about Maine, like right now, is it'll be warm during the daytimes, but when it cools off, it cools off. And just a basic knot. I told her how to do the basic knot, so she knows. Oh, count of 3, Lou. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Let it go.
Bam!